Lawrence Pakati se droom is om 'n klimatoloog te word, maar hy het al gesien hoe die droom vervaag weens die probleme met sy ID-nommer. Iemand anders het dit gebruik.
If I do anything currently, any future plans that I have that concern that will also concern the other person. So whatever benefits I get, the person will also get. And kind of a little bit worried about both of these.
Die departement van Binnelandse Sake het ingegryp en hom gehelp.
What happened was that a person who came with supporting documents, namely a copy of a mother of the ID and a copy of the birth certificate, which had identities of Mr. Pakati. The person then submitted those as his. The problem was, and what we need to establish, is where did this fraudster obtain the details of the Pakati family.
Personeel betrokke was nie. Die Pakati familie is verlig.
I'm very happy. I'm excited. I'm angry because it happened.
Die departement het die oorspronklike nommer teruggetrek en 'n strafregtelike saak kan volg.